comment.freelyblog.com. This website is where you can give us statements, encouragements, questions, or concerns.
Every comment truly means a lot to us.
So all you need to do is click Write New Entry, and you'll just need to submit your comment, and that's
The link is in the description below. And there's one more thing we need to tell you. To subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. สวัสดีครับ
Hello, my name is Jemmy, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Wikipedia program in Python. First of all, you would need to insert the document from Microsoft, which is a plugin, and what it does is it can do stuff with Microsoft Words, which is the docs. And first of all, I want to mention that I'm in IDLE Python right now. So yeah, open that up in your computer. And yeah, so after we imported the document, let's import Wikipedia, because we're also going to pull information from the Wikipedia and paste inside the document. So after we did that, let's define what wiki is. Wiki, there's a keyword, comma, lang equals English. So the lang is a variable, and en is English, like the quote for English. So Wikipedia.set lang, set language to lang. So if we want to change the language, we could just change it up here. Moving on to data. Data is Wikipedia.summary, which is another code for the plugin of Wikipedia. And then data 2 is Wikipedia.page to get the whole page. And data, this is also data 2. It's that data2.content. So I think it's going to print it or something. And then doc equal to document. So this is to create the document. So it will automatically generate a new Microsoft for us. It will make it. And then doc.addHeading. So now this is kind of crazy, because you can actually edit the whole entire document in Python. So add a heading with the keyword means so you type spacing, right? And then it comes in the heading equals to space. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. And then doc.addParagraph, which is data 2. So as you can see, it's getting the whole page, and it's going to put it in the paragraph. And then doc save, which is to Control S. The name is going to be the keyword plus .docx, which is the last name of document. So the keyword is space .x. Yeah. That's what wiki is, and we print successfully created, so they would know that it's done. Now moving on is that Wikipedia.setLang, en. This one is to also set the language, and from tkinter import, and this one's to import the ttk, and this one's to import the message box, which is the text box where we could enter and type stuff in. So yeah, and then GUI equals tk, GUI.title Wikipedia. This is to make our main menu that pops up, and GUI.geometry is to resize your main menu to how much we want. So right now it's currently 400 times 300. Yeah, so it's how big it is. And then the font number 1 equals Sanganil 15. So this is the font, and this is the size of the font. Yeah, moving on to setting the L variable is to make the name of the text inside the message box, and it's going to be enter your topic here. So you would be a little text to show you where you enter your topic. And then L.pack, and then after that we're going to do what the important code right here is to E.packPatty equal 10. Okay, remember that. Also, this is for the message box where you type it in, right? When that little message box right here. We're going to resize it, and we're going to set how big. Pretty sure this is how big it is, the width. And font equals to font 1, which is Asanganil, as I told you. So when they type it, that's going to be how big and what font it is. Moving on is define search. So what is search? The keyword equals v_search.get. This is to grab the information from the text box and search it up in Wikipedia. So as you can see, sorry. So wiki keyword language. So they're going to search it up in Wikipedia. After that, we're going to show info successfully recorded, which means that they're going to tell the person who's using this program that they have successfully got the information from Wikipedia. And for accept right here, in case like they just type something random in or something that doesn't make sense, then the program's going to tell them that keyword error, please enter your search again. So like they would have to be more specific, or they just have to like find a different topic. Now this is almost done. B1 equals to TTK button, and text equals to search. So this is like the button that you click when you want to search, and in there it's going to have a text which is search, so they would know what this button does. Okay, so now here is to create a check mark for what language you want to set it. This is getting a little fancy because if you can select the language, you can like do many other things with it. And instead of making it a column straight down, we're going to make it horizontal. So how we do it is over here, row goes to 0, column goes to 0, and then continue, column goes to 1, column goes to 2. After that, put the GUI main loop in, and then we're good. And yeah, let's try running this program. It's pretty fun. So here we are in our shell, and what do we want to search up? Let me take it to English. What do we want to search up? Code. How about no? How about Python? Okay, let's search it up. And please enter your search again. So they couldn't find our thing. How about just do cats maybe? Okay, search. And yeah, there we go. Successfully created. So now we should have it in where we saved our IDLE. So go to where you save your IDLE. Okay, and here it is, cats. Open it up. As you can see, the heading is cat, and the felis catus is like a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. And as you can see, it's like the whole thing got in, which is really cool actually. This should be really easy for school projects, and I think it should be really useful. How about let's try typing something random in, like something that the program won't know what we meant. Come over here, search it up. Okay, just right in, and search it up. Please enter your search again. There we go. How about we're going to do Chinese now? Cats. Or does it need to be typed in Chinese? I'm not sure. Yeah, it needs to be typed in Chinese too in order to get Chinese. So yeah, English, it works. And yeah, that's it for this one. And see you in the next video. Bye.